gonna try this guy. All right, this is probably gonna be a new video. So say hi. This is gonna be a new video. Say hi, everyone. Say hi, new video. Yay, new video. Woohoo. Yep, I like balls. Absolutely. Yep, Howie Mandel. Absolutely, guys. All right, new video. Say hi to. Yep, there we go. Hi, YouTube. All right, we're gonna watch some Try Not to Laugh, but it's actually funny part 3. We will be the judge of that. We will be the judge of if it is funny or not. I have a strong feeling it is not going to be funny, but we will try it anyway. All right, let's watch this.
On the wall.
Okay. Whoa, hold on. Sorry, I forgot to change the screen. Hold on, chat. Watch the third one. The third one, dude, literally rips a shoe off. This
BMCA ruining my vibes.
Hello, Mr. Blarg.
That had to be broken, right? No way that's the strongest human known to man. Hold on, did you guys see the Christmas tree one? Look at the sheer strength out of it. Okay, this lady's just, that's a screw, number one. But watch this. She swings an entire tree.
BMCA ruining my vibes.
Okay, I don't want to see this one again. That one was cursed. I hated that. What happened? What'd they do? Huh.
How many of y'all mama been good? She cooked that collard green, fat back meat,
fast as hell.
cornbread, and 2 biscuit with a corn on.
Absolutely.
Come on, ma.
Oh, dude, you're gonna get a dick burn. Holy. Holy moly! Look at the toss! Look at the fucking toss! Oh, yeah! No way!
You can make burgers in Fortnite now?
Out with the old.
What are you shaving? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's done.
I don't think that's how you play the drums, man. Hell no. What do you think about this, man?
BMCA.
Just bringing my favorite corn to the park. What's the bunny doing? What are you doing? Oh, he's pissed. No, that's it. You're getting it. What the bunny doing? Bro, he's just having a little bad. No. Wah. Oh, okay.
One more quarter.
More water.
More water.
Oh. What's gonna happen?
Oh, here we go.
It's coming back. Oh, wait.
Turn that crow on, Corey.
Oh, he's turned on. There you go. Yep. A little further. A little further. That's a good doggo. That is a damn fine doggo.
Yeah, he's a pilot. Great. What?
Bro, that's gonna kill this person.
Use one of those. Use one of those.
It's an in toilet seat. Uh-huh.
Dang.
No! Okay. Fair enough. Is that allowed?
I armored him.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going.
Oh, they downed me.
Oh my gosh, from where?
They're at D's.
These where?
Some mashed potatoes, bro.
Yes, sir.
Ew. That fucking glue?
Look at this fucking snow. Oh, fuck. Oh, my shoe.
I am confiscating this.
That's my welcome mat.
Leave your poop at the door?
That's not what it says.
That is inappropriate language when there is an elementary school down the street. Are you filming me right now?
Yeah.
Put me on Facebook. Go ahead. I dare you.
Hey, that's my welcome mat.
This is not welcome here.
Why?
Leave your poop at the door?
It's a joke.
Not funny.
Hey, give me that bat.
No way this isn't scripted.
What do you do for a living?
That's scripted as fuck.
A sale.
Oh, that guy needs to be arrested. Oh. Just kidding. It's a frog! Oh, they're making a frog witch. Oh, no. Oh, he's gonna eat the frogs. Well, rest in peace, frog.
I can tell you what this really means. It means China has successfully killed the Wither and now has the resources necessary to activate a beacon.
One man
Let's go.
allegedly went too
Good
far
job, China.
when he was told his Little Caesars pizza was not hot and ready.
That's disappointing.
Pulling an
Holy cow!
Pulling in a what? Oh, what's gonna happen?
BMCA ruining
Grab
my
her? What are you
vibes.
talking about?
Be Nunker.
Aren't you a good citizen? What do you mean?
Don't think about it. You gotta be on both.
Bro,
Just
do your
straight.
job.
just
What do you
lay
mean,
down straight.
grab her?
You got it. Yeah, you're good.
Oh, he's gonna spin.
Yeah, you got it. No problem. No. Oh, yeah,
I'm gonna put
you
my
got it.
grandma on a
It's
wheelchair
probably
on
ripping your
that.
pants and shit.
Spend the year block and I'm looking like who? Like who? Spend the year block and I'm looking like who?
Hi. Oh. Okay. Okay. Wait, stop! You can't eat that part! Took a shower. What is this guy's hair? He looks like COVID.
BMCA ruining my vibes.
Pog.
Guys, can we, we're gonna listen, okay?
They're learning physics.
Sitting beside someone you feel is going to distract you.
Yes.
What was that?
Cool. Going to Toyotathon?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Oh, Among Us.
Just out of curiosity, have you ever heard of the hit game?
What's up, y'all? I'm just out here doing what real men do. You know, I just got off of
What's
work.
going on?
You know, as you can see, I'm all
What's wrong?
sweaty. What's that? What was that?
A bug.
I mean, what was
Bro, a
that?
bug. Okay. What?
I know when to pay the front line, take the don't.
Shit, she's fast.
Coming out again.
Unbelievable technique there. Unbelievable technique by sprinting with those on.
Hey, boy, you a fool, boy. Hey, show how I work,
He took one of the Mario Karts from Walmart. He can eat shit. Please? Please eat shit? Oh, I would have brought me joy. Cat. Oh no, it's gonna be closer. Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Yo.
Jesus.
Hey, whoever she's texting, bro, you in trouble, my dog. You are in trouble.
That guy's dead. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. Stop looking at the monkey. Mom. Why are we, what was that?
So I'm a bigger woman, and this guy tells me, "Oh, I'm
What's he
not
tell you?
interested in talking to you.
Not
because
interested.
BMCA ruining
That's
my
fair.
vibes.
You obviously don't have the right tools for the job anyway, so I'll just go find somebody with better equipment that can handle it."
Okay, a forklift, yeah. That works. Oh, why does he look so sad? Hi, cow. Hi, cat. Hello. Oh, you're so handsome. Okay. What the fuck did he do to him?
Oh, where is get out. Get it. I'm getting it. Oh.
Aren't Sonic workers the rollerblade people?
BMCA ruining
Oh
my vibes.
no! Chaz, she
Sub to
died.
Blarg.
No way somebody snores like that.
Don't get on here rapping.
BMCA
I brought my loof
ruining
out today
my
again.
vibes.
And who's gonna stop me?
Oh my god. Why are you so fast? Why are you so fast?
Bro, why this dog head so skinny?
Alright, bro, good night.
Good night.
Alright. Oh shoot, I forgot to give my water.
Watch this cop stare at me speechless.
Why? How do you even do that? Oh. Why you look like a kid on his first day of school? Yeah, he looks like a little chubby 8-year-old that dressed up as a policeman for school. Why does he look like that?